Hi, my name is Hannah Reeser, and today for Educational Technology DU 218, I'm going to be doing some things in Excel that we've been assigned to do based on AIR test scores. So the first thing I'm going to do to maneuver us around Excel is actually rename the page that we're on right now. So right now it's named Sheet 1. I'm actually going to change that to, I'm actually just going to copy and paste it from number 1, where we want it to be longitudinal data set. So I'm just going to copy. I'm going to double click. Oh, it's already double clicked. Command V. Now the name is longitudinal dataset. So the next thing we need to do is change the view from normal to page layout. So to do that, I just went to View, up here, Page Layout, and then you go up to where it says Header. The next thing we have to do is add in a header. So we'll go to Header and Footer. There we go. We'll go to Header and Footer. We'll click Add Header, Longitudinal Dataset. Here. That's not all we want though, so we're gonna Shift, and we want it to also say Mount Union City Schools. Command C, Command V. Now we have that. So number 2 should be finished. So then the next thing we're gonna do is calculate the mean scores for this class. So how you're gonna do that is we're gonna go down there, already highlighted in yellow. So we know for this one we want it to be, you type equal average, and then you highlight the cells of that average that you want. Highlight them, equals, boom. Then we do the exact same thing 2 more times. Well, 3 more times, I guess. Go like this. Equals, boom. Same thing, equals average. Oh, Lord. Oh no. Oh no. Restart there. Equals average of these. Okay. Same thing, equals average. And then we'll go from F1 to F25 or 26, either one. And then we'll do one more, equals average. And we'll go from G1 to G25 or 26. And there we have it. Those are all of the averages for those specific years and those scores. So next thing we're going to do is change the decimals, but since they're already to the 10th, I think that's what we want. Number 4, let's check the decimal places in the means, and if they aren't already calculated to the nearest 10th, which ours are, we can increase or decrease. So if we wanted to do such, we would go to Home, and right up here, there's increased decimal and decreased decimal. But since ours are already to the 10th, we don't have to worry about that. So, oh wait, or I guess what we could do, we'll go like this, highlight those, and then we'll increase to see if we can get it to go up to the 10th. There we go. Now they're to the 10th. Okay, not bad. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is add spark lines. So in order to do that, we're going to highlight, not that. We're going to highlight these scores, and we're going to go to Insert, up at the top, and where it says spark lines, line, and where you want to put the spark lines, we're just going to click right there. Okay. And there's the spark line. And then we're going to repeat this quite a few times. Spark lines, line, boom. Okay. It's not insert spark line, line, there, okay. Same thing. Insert spark line. Boom. This gets very tedious, for sure. sparkline. Okay, I'm going to double check how many we're supposed to do. Well, it says for each student, so we're just going to continue for all 25 of them. Insert sparkline. So as you can see with this, it'd be very beneficial as a teacher to have this, because rather than just looking at numbers, I mean, we're looking at 4 times 26 numbers. That's a ton to look at. So if you can use this and just look at a quick little bar graph, you can see the student's progress over the years, which is kind of nice. This is very tedious. Sorry, we're almost done. I'm sure there's a quicker way to do this. The more I do this, I'm guaranteeing that there's a quicker way. But this is the way that I found. I am really not very good at Excel, so this is the way that I'm going to have to do it. Just a few more to go, so sorry. Alright, one more to go. One more down. Alright, insert sparkline, sparkline, boom, done. Okay. Now that we have all of those made, that's step number 5. Now what we need to do is go ahead and sort the class's scores from lowest to highest, but only according to their 2013 scale. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight all of the 2013 scale scores. I'm going to double click or right click depending. I'm going to go sort, and we're going to actually go from smallest to largest. Outside your section, okay. Sort. Alright. Oh. I'm going to have to edit undo that real quick. My bad, I did not mean to have that highlighted. So I'll go like this. And make sure I'm only going to 25, not 26. And then I'm going to do the double click, sort, smallest to largest. And I'm going to continue with current selection. And sort. There we go. Okay, perfect. So then next, I'm going to go ahead and do the conditional formatting rule. So to do that, I'm going to highlight all of the numbers that I have here, not including the averages and the mean. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do conditional formatting, and I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go highlight cells between. You're going to make sure on home too, by the way. And you're going to go between, and it's going to be cell value between, our first one is going to be 290 and 380. And I'm going to custom format that. It will be, the background will be dark red, while the font is going to be white. Okay, and that's going to be, okay. Alright, now our next one, so a few of these to do. So we're going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to go between, and we're going to go 381 and 399. And we're going to custom format that again, and it's going to be dark red font with a light red format, or light red fill. Okay, and then do it again. I'm going to do 400, oops, 400 and 428, and that's going to be yellow. This is going to be a yellow with dark yellow, like that. Okay. And then we are going to do the same exact thing, and it will be 429 to 449, and 449, and that is going to be dark green, oh wait, green with dark green. So this is going to be green with dark green. That's that army green. Okay. And then we only have one more and we will be finished. That'll be between, okay, that'll just be 450, and then we're going to go with 1,000 since that's like unrealistic. And then that's going to be dark green with white. So the fill is going to be dark green. Dark green with white. Okay. Okay. And I believe that is all we have to do. So thank you for listening. Goodbye.